by removing all the screws from the outer edge, placing them all out of the way of our workspace. Next we need to check under the label. Gently peel this back using a razor blade. And remove the screw. Take a flat or blunt instrument and gently pry the case lid open, carefully lifting away from the heads and platters. You can see clearly now that this device does in fact have 3 platters, 6 heads, and it also has some plastic dividers. These are referred to in many different companies as heat sinks, or some people think that they're methods of preventing data recovery. We'll show you in a moment that our platter exchanger tool will actually lift these platters with the dividers intact. So the first thing that we need to do is to remove the magnet screws. This magnet is only held in place with 1 screw. Press down on the magnet extractor, make sure the unit and the hard drive is secure, and lift away at a 90-degree angle. You can see the magnet has come out in one piece. Now we'll have a look at the heads. In order to do that, we need to remove the voice coil PCB logic board. Remove the 2 screws from here. And move them carefully away using a pair of tweezers. Use a blunt instrument, a flat instrument, to pry open the PCB connection. You can see that this PCB connector will not free from the logic board. The reason for this is it is held in place by a screw. The screw is through the logic board and into the PCB connector. After you've removed this screw and carefully placed it away from your work area, you can then release the voice coil logic board connection. We're making sure here that the hard drive is securely placed into the container. Gently ease out the PCB connector. Remove the rubber seal. Now we need the head removal tool. For this you will need 3 plastic combs, wedges, whatever you prefer to call them. You need to make sure that these are spaced the right distance for the heads and the right distance for the platters. Now we'll rotate the platters in an anti-clockwise direction and slowly turn the heads towards the end of the platter. Once the heads are almost over the edge but not quite over the edge, we will use the 3 plastic slicers on our tool. Slide it over the platters and carefully slide the head over the wedges. The GMR heads have been removed in one piece. Now we need to remove the head stack from the hard drive assembly.